Hello and welcome to the video. So hopefully this video is getting posted on Boxing Day, which means the vast majority of you will be laying on the couch, stuffed to the gills, wondering how you're going to turn your life around. Well, today could be your lucky day, as today I'm going to be reviewing Kenko's organic smoothies. This is not a sponsored video, however they did send me this box in place for an honest review. And if you're a regular on this channel, you know an honest review is what you're going to get. That is disgusting.
Honestly, I'm not a fussy person, but that is just wrong.
It's still terrible in my opinion. So what exactly is Kenko? Kenko is a smart food company reinventing organic fruit and vegetable products to help people eat healthier and waste less. Each instant smoothie is packed with all the nutrition of 2.5 servings of 100% organic fruit and veggies. The only ingredients used are organic plants. We never use added sugars, sweeteners, colours, flavour enhancers, preservatives or emulsifiers. Sounds pretty good, so let's give them a try, shall we? We've got a pack of 20 smoothies and 4 packs of gumdrops. And they also come with a free water bottle. So it's pretty cool. So on the package it tells you the fruits and vegetables that are in the packet, as well as the properties of the package. For example, tropical blues is a power-up, so it's anti-inflammatory, antioxidants, vitamin C for the skin, immunity, etc. And it also comes with a booklet that tells you exact calories and vitamins and minerals that come with the smoothies themselves as well. So I did get one of every smoothie, as my plan was to do a taste test of every single one. However, someone has actually already done that, so I'll link their video here for you. However, taste is very individual, so I thought it'd be better to just try a few of the drinks and give my overall thoughts and opinions on what I think about them. So I'm going to try Crimson's. This one is berries, banana, strawberries, apple, mango, chia seeds and cinnamon, and it's antioxidants for cognitive function, so it might help me talk a little bit better for the rest of this video. And now we just shake it for 30 to 60 seconds, which, despite what Loretta says, is quite a long time. Yeah, I can really smell the strawberry. Cheers. It's all right, you know, but I think it's a bit too liquidy for me, so I filled it to the max fill line, but I think I'd like it a bit stronger than that. It is refreshing actually, the more you drink it. I'm going to try one with plant milk and see if I prefer that, because I don't usually have smoothies with just water.
5 minutes later.
Okay, we are back, and that is really easy to clean, so I'm glad I did that. So literally just has a filter, unscrew it, wash that out, good to go. So now I'm going to try Gold's, which is banana, strawberries and cocoa, which is a lot more me. 1,000 times better with milk. It kind of thickens it up and it becomes more of a smoothie. So each of these smoothies are roughly around 100 calories and about 2.5 cups of your daily fruit and veg. So just having these two, I'm good for the day. However, I've just remembered I've also got some gumdrops to try, so let's check them out. Okay, so these are the gumdrops, and these are about 100 calories a pack and only one of your 5 a day. So you have to eat 5 of these to get your 5 a day. So this is apple, orange, carrot and ginger. That is mental. It tastes like a fruit pastel or like a gumdrop. If someone offered you one of those, you just think it's a sweet. Yes! They're so strong, like they're so sweet. I think they would actually be a really good snack, because like one of them you're like, woo, that'll do me, thank you. So like a whole pack of them seems like quite a lot to eat. They also offer bowls and protein enhancers. However, they didn't send me any of those. However, after having the shake and the gummies, they're probably decent, to be fair. Now we've done the taste test. How much does this all cost? So the way Kenko works on a subscription basis, so you can buy a box of 20 smoothies, 40 or 60, and basically the more you buy, the cheaper it gets. So it does sound quite expensive, like $2.99 a day for a smoothie. However, most people will happily spend, me included, £3.50 for a coffee, so it's actually cheaper than a coffee and it's a lot better for you. However, I've just received an email from Kenko to let me know that there will be a Boxing Day sale. So from Boxing Day all the way to the 31st New Year's Eve, they'll be offering 20% off your first purchase. They're also offering a free diet consultation for anyone who signs up and needs a little bit of guidance with their diet. So overall thoughts and opinions on the smoothies. To be honest, when they initially emailed me to make a review video, I was a little skeptical. I thought maybe it's a little bit too expensive, you know, just another smoothie company. However, having tried them, the quick and convenience and the fact that all the ingredients are completely organic, I think they're well worth the money, to be honest. If you take a minute to actually look at the food you're eating today, a lot of the food is packed with emulsifiers and seed oils, which are terribly bad. They cause inflammation and disease, and it's a great way to get extra fruits and veggies into your diet, especially if you're someone who's busy or doesn't really know how to get all these different varieties of foods into your diet. It makes your life very simple. I really rate them. I'll give them an 8 out of 10. They're doing a great job and I'm really impressed. If you do want to check them out, I'll put a link in the description below. Hope everyone had a great Christmas, has a good New Year's Eve, and I'll see you guys next year.